Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. Most people wasting hours to design a building website manually, but there is much faster way that almost nobody talk about. So no coding, no design experience and no complicated setup. This website took hours to build, but the truth is it was created in just a few minutes using AI. So don't create your portfolio website until you see this. Let me show the process. So there are many ways to create a portfolio website. So use website builders like Canva, creating one with Google site, or even use AI website builders. So today I'm going to show you the fastest method instead of spending hours designing and building everything yourself. You are going to use in AI website builder to create a professional portfolio website in just 2-3 minutes. So if you want to portfolio website quickly and easily, keep watching this video. So first of all, open your Google browser and click here and type here. So with AI website builder, click it. So click here. So here you can see here step 1, 2, 3. Choose your website types. You can choose website, online store, blog, landing page. So I'm going to click here, create a professional website for your business and the personal needs. Click it. So here have category. Tell us more about your website. So name and description. Salon. So name. Yeah, my name I'm going to use. Here description. And click here to next step. You can sign up Google, Facebook, or create an account. You can create an account or you can sign up Google or Facebook. So I'm going to click here to Google and here name. Yeah, I'll choose my name. Click it. So it's very easy to do it. Have many website AI. So congratulations on your new website. So you can see here dashboard. So click it. So the best part is that you don't need any coding skill. Just answer a few questions and the AI generate a professional portfolio website for you in minutes. Don't waste time. Let's get started. Here click here to build your website. Click it. So you can see my screen. Here have my name and here my salon. You can see here you can change anything. So you can easily customize everything. You can change the website name, upload any photo you like, or you choose your image from the available option. Okay, you can edit all the text using your own words. You can edit all text using your own words. You can use anything from here. You can change every text. The description also you can change everything from here. So change the font style, adjust the color and personalize the designs and personalize the design to match your brand or portfolio. So everything is fully customizable. So you can change everything from here. So don't worry if the AI generated website isn't perfect. You can change the everything. Even you can change the color also. Here click here. I have choose this color. You have many colors. So here also you can change the text. Change the text. I have changed. You can see very easy to do it. So you can add here new page also. Here you can add here new page and new category, everything. Here you can click here and you can change this image left side. You You can see here left side or right side like this. Oh, like this you can choose here from here like this also you can do it. Very different styles are there, standard and forms and mock up, mock style, right style. Here like this you can do it. Very nice. So I'm not going to change. You can change everything from here. So click here and change the logo name from here. I have changed the logo name. Normal or big like that. You can change logo or you can upload your logo. Here uploading. You can upload your logo. The logo front size you can change here. Click here and you can change the size here. Logo front size and logo size, letter space size. You can minimize menu in size here, abnormal, large, everything. And here you can upload your logo. So here have home page, about, service and contact, everything. You can choose here and you can add here your name and phone number, email address and message. Here you can see here like this. Here have phone numbers and email and description, everything, and you can save it. So here also services, what service you're providing, like that, everything from here. Here colors, here have color code. You can see here, you can change color, you can change all color. Here have many colors. Here have color menu. You can choose from here. Colors you can choose here. So everything you can change here. Here you can text position. You can choose the text position also from here. Here left side, center or left side you can choose like this. So here home page, about and service, testimonials. Here have testimonials. Section is called testimonial. So this section is called testimonial. It's about. So here customers share their experience and feedback about the salon. So positive review help build trust and show new visitors the quality of service they can expect. So you can add real customer comments, rating and success story to make your website look. So don't skip the section. Testimonial are one of the most important part of website. So you can click here and you can add everything. Put address, everything. You can change the layout here like this. Map. Your location map. And change this name also. Logo name. You click here. You can change the logo name. Yeah, I have changed the logo name. Minimize the menu sizes. Yeah, normal or big. Okay. You can choose here logo. You can make the logo and you can upload the logo also, or you can add Facebook logos. So here you can make your logo also from like this. Here you can make this logo any front icon. You can select the icon from here. When uh, cities like this. They have many logos. So salon. So and front style. You can change the front style. Here have many styles. You can change everything from here. Very easy to do it. Don't waste your time. You can do. You can start now. So I have to text. Here have text, logo, front style, sizes, logo size, and everything. I will save this. Here you can see here my logo have changed. So you can see here I have changed the logo style and name style. Everything you can change here and design from here. Here have logo style. Here you can logo make. Use the logo make to create your own logo. You can click here and you can do it. Font size, icon, text, everything from here. So domain, we'll see about domain. You have domain. Search your unique domain name. So a domain is the website address on the internet. So it's what people type into their browser to find your website. So such as your business.com, having a custom domain make your website look more professional and easy to customer to remember. So think of a domain has your website home address. So insert long website link. People can visit your site using a simple name like mywebsite.com like that. Just an example. Before you're publishing your website, don't forget about the domain name. A custom domain helps your business look more professional and make your website easy to find and remember. So choose your domain name, the short, easy to spell and related to your business or brand. So like this you can choose from here. So more option. You can click here to more option. Here are all available options. So here have settings, website name, type settings, everything. Here have pages. You can add new pages also. Like this you can do it. You can change this image also. So click here to setting and edit with AI. We'll see here. You can see here edit, filter, crop, paint and video. Here quick style. So change real picture into a creative instruction that looks like drawing or animated characters. So this useful for making your websites or contact more attractive and unique. Attractive is useful. This AI cartoon style means turning normal image into fun cartoon or instruction designing using artificial intelligence. So one cool feature is AI cartoon image style. So you can take a normal photo and cover into a cartoon or animated style images. So it's make your website look more creative and modern and eye-catching for visitors. So you can use this style for logos, profile pictures or even salon work images to make your brand stand out. So we'll change and we'll see how is this. How is it stand it? So I'm going to check this. So I have converted to cartoon style. So you can see here I have converted to cartoon style and you can click here and you can change the description everything. Here have cartoon style. So different, no? You can see here. There have many style you can choose here. I didn't save the cartoon style. I just show you how to make the cartoon style. So this also you can change like this. You have many style. You can change any style. Yeah, I have convert to night lighting style. We'll see. Night lighting style I have changed. So I'm going to save this one. Very nice. So I'll save this. Here you can see here. I have changed this image. Very nice. This website is fully designed to help your business grow online. So it's modern, fast and easy to use. So everything is organized so visitors can quickly understand what your salon offers and showcase all your service like hair cutting, styles, coloring, skincare and many more. You can also add prices to customer know everything before they book. So there is a gallery section where you can upload your best work like hairstyle or transformation so people can see your skill clearly. System so the booking system make it easy for customer to schedule appointment online without calling or messaging. So you can also contact WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook so customers can contact you instantly. So the website help you to build a strong online presence and make your salon look professional and trustworthy. This website is not a design, it's a complete solution for your business. So it helps you to attract more customers, show your work and grow your brand online. So here you have to click here right side publish and you can publish here. So now you can easily create your own website like this for your brand or business. It's simple to design and once you publish it, people can see all the important information about your service online. So this help you grow your business, attract to more customers and build a strong online presence. So go ahead and try it yourself. And don't forget to share and subscribe and turn on notification. I hope this video really helped to grow your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.